Hello dear women, this video is about harmonizing and regulating the menstrual cycle. I know how many of you suffer from menstrual pain, and this should not be accepted as normal. No way. In this video I want to encourage you to help yourself with the self-treatment from the Chinese medicine, from the Tuina. I'm going to start with a point on the hand. You are always going to start to treat the points on the left side. So the first point is when you press the thumb against the hand, you have the highest point of this muscle, and there you press from the highest point towards the hand like this, and you press it until the pain releases. It can take up to 1 minute or a little bit longer. Take your time. And then also you will treat the other side. The next thing is you are going to massage your lower back and around the sacrum. I show you that. Massage around the sacrum and the lower back. Until it feels nice and warm. The next point is on the foot. It's a liver point, and this one you are going to find when you come from in between the first and the second toe. You sink in between the bones and then you move towards the ankle joint until you push against another bone, the end of the bones, and then you press towards the foot, inside the tissue. And you press also until the pain releases. Actually, this is my left side that I treat. It's the other way around on the camera, I'm sorry. You treat the left side and then the right side. The next point I'm going to show you on the other foot. So you come from the ankle, from the highest point of the inner bone, and from there you go 4 fingers up, and you come from behind, then you press from behind the tibia. Can you see that? Press this point until the pain subsides. This one is called a water point. It is regulating the liquids in the body. And then the next point, from here you move upwards behind the tibia. You go up until you push against the bone here. And then you go down 4 fingers and press from behind the tibia again. Press here. You can use your thumb. Usually I use my thumb because I have more strength in the thumb, but you can also use another finger, like I use my index finger now. And you wait until the pain subsides or the pressure is getting less. It's not always that painful. And then the next point, you will find it when you put your palm on the patella, like this. I show you from inside, wait. You put your palm on the patella, and then where the thumb, it should be 90 degrees, and then where the thumb points to, like you put your hand like this. And where your thumb ends, there's the next point, and you press it, it's here. You can only press, but you can also go like in a circular movement clockwise, and you sink into the tissue and then come out again, and sink into the tissue and come out again. That's another technique. Nice. And then next thing is you sit in the butterfly position. It's a yoga position. Your feet are together, and then you let your knees sink towards the ground, and you take your elbows and let them sink into the inner thighs, and there you will find a lot of tension. Usually there's some tension, and you try to release the tension. Let your elbows sink into the muscles. And you can also massage in a way that you sink into the tissue and then go towards the knees. You will find out what is better for you, what works better. This self-treatment, you should start at least 1 week before the menstruation starts. Yeah, and you should do it several times, not only in one cycle, but several times. But within one cycle, within like when you start the self-treatment, within one cycle, your menstruation problems should be much less on the first time. That's my experience with it. Okay, then I have something else for you. I have the moxa. It's also from the Chinese medicine. It's an application of warmth, and it looks like a cigar. There are some herbs in it that burn very evenly. It develops quite a lot of smoke, and there are other kinds of moxa that develop less smoke, but sometimes I like this one. You should only use it when you like warmth, and when when the pain releases when you apply warmth. When it's not comfortable, when it doesn't feel nice, don't do it. There are points beside the navel, like 2 fingers beside the navel on both sides. You start on the left side. You don't burn your skin. And this one is the one that develops a lot of smoke. Okay, I'm done with the moxa. And actually that's not what I need right now, so I stopped. Ladies, I wish you good luck with the self-treatment. I wish for you that you can throw away the painkillers and that you can enjoy the strong magic female energy. Thank you.